today I'll be showing you how to make a lip gloss using only petroleum jelly, a candle, and scissors. So we're going to start off with opening our scissors and trying to get some of that candle wax out, because that's the main part. And why we use candle wax is to get the color and to get the scent. If you do not use a scented candle, your lip stuff, chapstick or lip gloss, whatever you want to call it, will not have any scent to it. So, or color, unless you use a colored candle that has no scent. So that's why I use a red candle, and it gives like this peachy color. See? And I just get my petroleum jelly, get a little bit. If you do not have petroleum jelly, you should not be doing this, because you can only use the petroleum jelly. If you do start to have an allergic reaction, obviously don't make any more. I haven't had an allergic reaction yet, and I made some, and I haven't had an allergic reaction. And yeah. If you want to do this in a bowl, that would be good, because my fingers are all messy, and you might want to chop up the actual candle wax. But it's also good to use a candle that you haven't burnt yet, because my candle doesn't even work. Yankee candles are the best scents. But so once you're done, you stop on your fingers or in your bowl. See, it's gross, but just tie it to your lips. Don't want to gross you out, but gives this nice little gloss and really good color. And if you use a certain color, you should see if it starts to mix in with the petroleum jelly to see if it works. But just a little experiment. So yeah, hope it works out for you. Bye.